Hey guys, Dobby back at you with another story. It was last summer. My cousin Randy, proud owner of a YouTube channel called Randy Fixes It All, with 47 subscribers, mostly family, decided his 1970s bathroom needed a glow up. The plan: replaced the old leaky shower valve himself to stop the constant drip that sounded like Chinese water torture at 3 a.m. He'd watched exactly 3 plumbing tutorials, bought a $12 multi-tool kit from Harbor Freight, and declared, how hard can it be, just turning a couple nuts. Randy shuts off the main water. He thinks he actually only turned off the hot water line because cold is fine for showers anyway. He pries off the old escutcheon plate, unscrews the cartridge, and bam, water starts spraying like a fire hose from the wall. Not a trickle, full pressure, Arctic cold, straight into his face. He yelps, drops the cartridge, and it rolls under the vanity like it has somewhere better to be. Panicking, Randy grabs the nearest towel, stuffs it into the hole. The towel immediately becomes a high-pressure water balloon and shoots back out, soaking him head to toe. He tries the shut-off valve under the sink. It seized solid for 50 years of neglect. Now the bathroom floor is turning into a slip and slide, water pouring down the hallway toward the living room carpet. Randy, drenched and screaming, turned it off, at no one in particular. Sprints to the basement in his socks, slips on the stairs, slides down the last 5 steps on his butt like a sad penguin, lands in a pile of Christmas decorations, finally finds the main shutoff. It's a big red wheel thingy. He cranks it the wrong direction at first, because why read the arrow? Water keeps coming. Cranks the other way. Silence, blessed silence. He sloshes back upstairs to survey the damage. Bathroom looks like a low-budget car wash scene. Vanity cabinet already swelling like a sponge. Hallway carpet squishing underfoot. And the living room has a new abstract water stain creeping toward the couch. His wife walks in from work, sees the disaster, and just stares for a solid 10 seconds before saying, "Randy, did you try to fix the drip and create Niagara Falls?" The plumber they called showed up in 45 minutes. Took one look at the mangled cartridge hole. Randy had cross-threaded it, trying to force it back in. The towel remnants jammed in the pipe and the now permanently off main valve that needed replacing too. Bill $1,200 for emergency call-out, parts, and undoing heroic do-it-yourself efforts. Randy's channel, he posted a 12-minute apology video titled Why I Will Never Touch Plumbing Again, complete with the slow-mo footage of the initial spray hitting him in the face. It has 312 views now, mostly people leaving comments like, "Classic Randy," and "at least you shut the water off eventually." He still fixes things around the house, just not involving pipes or electricity or ladders. Basically he paints walls now, very carefully. Moral of the story: sometimes a drip isn't the problem. The problem is thinking you can fix the drip without turning into a human fountain first. Thanks for listening, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever floats your boat. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.